SharePoint migrations are painful. Broken links, lost metadata, angry users, and late-night Teams messages. But what if Microsoft's new Copilot 365 can automate 70% of that chaos? Today, I'll show you how Copilot 365 completely transforms SharePoint migrations from planning, scanning, fixing warnings to post-migration validation. Hey everyone, Pratik from AGMP. We run tenant-to-tenant migrations every week, and honestly, Copilot 365 just changed the game. So in this video, I'm breaking down what Copilot does in SharePoint migrations and how it fits into your migration workflow. We'll also explore live examples of prompts, what it fixes, and what it cannot fix yet, along with real-world use cases from clients. If you've done even one SharePoint migration, you know the pain. Thousands of sites, unknown owners, and huge OneDrive footprints. Broken custom permissions, missing metadata, unsupported file types, and orphaned users add to the complexity. Site templates that don't carry forward, hybrid identities, old SharePoint 2013 workflows, and random admins who created sites years ago complicate matters. And suddenly your 3-week migration becomes a 3-month nightmare. Now Copilot doesn't magically do the migration for you, but it does something even better. It becomes your migration analyst. Copilot reads SharePoint inventory reports, migration manager logs, SPMT logs, and pre-migration assessments. It also processes PowerShell outputs, CSV extracts, permission maps, orphan user lists, and audit logs. Then it gives you actionable migration insights instantly. Instead of manually analyzing a 10,000-row CSV, Copilot turns it into, here are 23 critical issues, 190 warnings, and 12 sites that will break in the target tenant. In the planning phase, Copilot performs readiness scans. You drag-drop your SPMT or Migration Manager scan report into Copilot, and it tells you the exact sites with high-risk content. It identifies incompatible site templates, document libraries exceeding thresholds, deprecated features that will fail, and where unique permissions will break. An example prompt: Copilot, analyze this migration report and list all blockers for SharePoint Online. Categorize them into critical, warning, and info. Also generate recommended fixes for each issue. The output includes repermissioning plans, content restructuring suggestions, workflow modernization suggestions, and metadata tasks. During migration, Copilot offers live issue interpretation. It can interpret real-time error logs like scan file for folder in marker failed with error 800700005 or user not found mapping exception. Normally, you'd spend hours Googling error codes, but Copilot will reply. The issue is due to a permission inconsistency. Assign the source site's group members role to the destination site with edit permission and rerun the batch. Copilot also provides permission mapping assistance, generating auto maps like SGen for old HR to intra-implement. It generates PowerShell commands for bulk site migration jobs, mapping users, checking throttling, fixing term store mismatches, and validating OneDrive URLs. After migration, Copilot validates everything. Upload your source inventory, destination inventory, and migration logs. Then ask Copilot to compare them. It lists any missing files, mismatched metadata, broken links, oversized lists, and permission mismatches. It gives you an impact assessment, top risky libraries, broken navigation, incomplete copies, and missing customizations. Copilot can also auto-generate reports like executive summaries, migration status reports, PM-ready decks, risk logs, and issue resolution logs, all ready to paste into Teams, SharePoint, or email. This is important. Copilot cannot run the migration engine or fix permissions directly in SharePoint. It cannot move meantext/SharePoint designer workflows, migrate customizations/web parts, lift and shift third-party solutions, or auto-upgrade sites. But it can tell you exactly how to fix these, so you still need SPMT, Migration Manager, ShareGate, PowerShell, and good governance. We recently migrated a 36 terabytes SharePoint environment. Before Copilot, it was a 3-week effort analyzing CSVs. After Copilot, it was reduced to 3 hours. Copilot highlighted 217 orphaned accounts, 19 sites exceeding list thresholds, and 12 broken templates. It also found 8 gigabytes of blocked file types, one site using 2010 workflows, and 35 libraries with missing metadata types. This cut the prep time by 80%. Copilot 365 is not a migration tool, it's a migration superpower. It eliminates the analysis phase, speeds up troubleshooting, automates your reporting, and gives you clean, fast, predictable migrations. If you want a full tutorial on building a SharePoint migration Copilot agent, let me know in the comments. Please like, share, and subscribe. It helps a lot. See you in the next video.